If you run outdoor Christmas lights, LED controllers, or timers, you'll already know this is a problem. Power bricks, extension cords, anything that plugs in hates the rain and hates the snow. Today, I'm testing out the Hrensaw outdoor electrical box to see if it solves any of these problems, to see if it keeps my stuff dry, to see if I stop tripping these breakers. Stick around, let's see what happens. Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Twinkle Tunes and Lighting, where we talk about LED setups, controllers, and outdoor setups that actually survive the weather. Hrensaw sent me this box to give my honest feedback, and of course, as always, these opinions are my own. Here's our box that it's gonna come shipped in. Let's go ahead and get her opened up. That's pretty cool, look at that. It's got a little symbol on there for you. There's a little danger symbol there. Lets people know there's power in there. It's got 4 latches on the outside. Real good rugged construction, I can feel already. Nice thick plastic that's on there. Extra pieces there. Some instructions. Pretty much what the box looks like. Inside it's got these rubber grommets on the side that you put your cables in. It will seal those up pretty good and keep water from going in there. All right, let's take a couple different scenarios here. I've only got 3 plugs in it. Looks like that one's gonna fit the best in there. So go ahead and put that in there. And then let's just pretend I'm plugging in some controllers. Let's go ahead and go with for 1, controller number 2. Let's try a couple of these flat cables. So here'd be like a Christmas light controller, or Christmas lights. Go ahead and put our Christmas lights in there. And this one has the flat cable. Go ahead and put that in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on top. Man, and that fits real nice. You can really see how it seals the cables up in there nice and neat. Here's a flat one there and another round one there. It just does a really good job of keeping those cables sealed on the inside like that. They did a really good job with that. All right, well that fits. Let's see what else we can get to fit in here. Oh yeah, look at that. My little tails come out this side over here. That works great. So we got a small controller there, a couple wall warts in there with a tri-tab, all right? It's gonna plug into this guy here. Our cable comes out there. Let's put this on there now. Look at that, let's try another one. All right, Gobi power supply type of deal. Okay, so here's our Lumeri power supply. And I wanna put the controller in there too. So let's go with, all right, well there's our Lumeri and its controller. Fits in there just great. This is my tester. This has got the Bong 69 on top of it. Got an out port here. See if that fits in there. Oh, would you look at that? Isn't that just stinking adorable? Put that in there. Now, it doesn't have any fans. Doesn't have anything like that to keep it cool, but it does keep it dry. Don't know if that's a good idea or not, but you can see very clearly if it fits, it ships. So trying to keep all my cords dry, this is what I used to do. I would take an old piece of Tupperware, put it over the top of my connections, and that's how I used to keep them dry. Let's get rid of the old Tupperware and let's get something new in here. Comes in this great box, got some good labeling on top of it, let you know that there's actual power that's gonna be in here. It's got these rubber grommets on the outside to keep your cables. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just pile everything in this box. My main power coming in, and I've got this one going to one of my Christmas lights. This is going to one of my Christmas lights. We'll shove all this in here, look at this. Cord that can hang out there. One cord goes out here, he hangs out here on this side too. Close all this in. No more trip breakers, no more trip GFIs. Nice and neat in there, and I'm telling you what, that's the way to go. This is the best way to do it. Out with the old, in with the new. No more trip breakers, no more trip GFIs. This thing is awesome. I love how the cable seals around the edge of it. And honestly, this is way better than anything I've done in the past. Some things I really like about this box is it's got plenty of space inside. It comes in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size, and it has everything I want it to do in there. Number 2, it looks really clean, looks really professional. It has really rugged latches, and the seal around the outside, I know that when it rains or if I have any type of snow or weather, it's gonna keep everything inside nice and dry. Some things I might consider: you may want to just double check and measure what you're going to be putting in the box. Again, this is the medium size. I can't put everything inside this box, so I'd have to go to a larger size and maybe even downsize. So make sure you measure what you're gonna put in the box, be it a power strip, a brick, a tri-tap, anything like that. Make sure you measure it and make sure it's gonna fit inside this box before you get one. I went with the medium one. It looks like it works out well for me. You may need a larger one. You could use a smaller one. It's up to you. I'll have a link in the description down below of where you guys can pick these up on Amazon. You order them, you get them the next day. It's great. Also, let me know, are you protecting your guys' electronics just a little bit different than what I am? How are you guys doing it? I used to use the old Tupperware method. Now I use this. But how are you guys doing it? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe so you guys are up on the latest tips and the reviews as we move forward with this season. Thanks so much for watching. Check out the next one. Check out these videos. There it is. This is the awkward part where I go, hey, look at this video over here. Check down below. You guys can hit the subscribe. Subscribe's always good. Subscribe's always good. That's the number one thing. And then there's a video. It's probably on top of my face right now. It's up here. Click on that one there. But definitely subscribe. I don't know. Thanks for watching.